Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to change the color of font. Like the color of this font is red, here yellow and here blue. Then let's start, but don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now I will save first, but don't forget to save file in .html extension. Now I will load the basic HTML code. This is the basic HTML code. I will give title as how to change color of font. In body I will give h1 tag because we are changing the color of h1 tag. Yes. For changing the color of font, we need font tag. I will open the font tag. Yes, this is the font tag. Now I will write color because we are changing the color. And here I will write the color code for red. The color code for red is FF and 4 times 0. FF 4 times 0. And I will give text as red color and save and run it. See, I have run the program red color. I can change the color into the blue also. Just I need the color code for blue. The color code for blue is 004 times F. I will change it as 004 times F. And I will give here as blue color. Four times F and save it, and I will run the program. See, it is changed into blue color. We need just the color code for every color. For today, this much only, but don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.